The opportunities that you'll be getting after going to IITs, ISC or NIT will be unmatchable to the stipend thing that you are thinking of. Keep building skills to stay competitive even without GATE. GATE is just one way to get strong DSA skills. You can easily prepare for interviews at top tech companies like Google, Amazon and Microsoft. So hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So friends, I welcome you all to your favorite channel. My name is Aditya Jain. And friends, as you know that recently GATE computer science was done and many students were curious about, sir, what are the various opportunities that we have? Okay, so me and the entire team have decided that let's stay updated, okay, so that you can take the right decision and decide the right opportunity and you don't miss any opportunity or gateway. Okay, so for the same reason I have brought this session for you so that you know what are the opportunities with or without GATE rank just after you are done with GATE. Okay, so that you can utilize this time properly and can be prepared to take the right decision as and when required. So with that motivation, let's get started. So first I will give you the overview of what we are going to discuss today. So we all know that GATE is an entrance exam which helps us get into IITs, NITs and other institutes for MTech program, and it also helps us get into PSUs for job preparation for the job roles. Okay, what is the importance of GATE score? The GATE score is crucial for admissions to IITs, NITs and other reputed institutions for MTech and other postgraduate programs. Okay, so GATE score acts as one of the most important criteria to get admission to these institutes. Okay, what happens after GATE? Opportunities vary based on your GATE rank and score, but if you do not have a good score, there are still many career paths you can explore. So many students, we see that they leave hopes that okay, GATE exam didn't went well and there is nothing we can do. Okay, I don't know why they think like this, because now in today's world there are lots of opportunities that are at your disposal and you can still utilize them to reach the same end goal. And exactly for that same reason I have brought this session for you so that you can take the right decision with the right amount of awareness that is required. Okay, key points to consider here: GATE is a gateway to higher education and job opportunities. Okay, even without a good GATE score, there are plenty of career opportunities available. It's just that usually people don't too much talk about it, and that's why the crowd is never aware about it. So I will have this session as you to keep exploring the other opportunities so that it acts as a stepping stone for you to take the right decision moving forward. First thing, opportunities with a good GATE rank. So what I'll do is I will divide this into two segments: what you have with a good rank and what you can have as a not so good rank. Okay, again, please don't think that good rank is the top people and not so good rank are the bottom people. Everyone is unique, everyone is talented, and you can still do great in your life irrespective of the score you have got. Okay, so first, with a good GATE rank, what you can do: admission to IITs and NITs. A high GATE rank can secure admission to prestigious institutes like IITs and NITs for MTech. Okay, there is no lack of opportunity. In fact, you are the decision maker. So friends, when I gave GATE exam, I secured All India rank 60 in GATE Computer Science 2019. Okay, and the good thing was that with that rank, instead of me having to worry about which college I will get, which college I will not get, I was the decision maker in deciding which college I have to pick. Okay, so I was having admission opportunities from ISC Bangalore, from IIT Bombay, from IIT Madras, IIT Delhi. So it was such a amazing experience because every institute I have respected in my whole career, and I having to decide which institute I want to go to was such a great feeling. So this is what it gives you. This is what GATE rank gives you. It gives you a lot of self-confidence and self-belief that you can do it. Okay, public sector units, PSUs you have. Okay, So many PSUs recruit directly from GATE scores, example IOCL, NTPC, BHAL, GALE, etc. So lots of opportunities, not just for MTech, but also for job in PSUs, public sector units, are available to you. Scholarships and stipends. GATE qualified students are eligible for scholarships and stipends for MTech programs at reputed institutes. So it keeps varying actually, because there have been lots of decisions about whether stipend will be there or not there. Okay, lots of things keep changing. But the point is that you don't have to worry too much about the stipend part, because you have to think about the long-term implications. The opportunities that you'll be getting after going to IITs, ISC or NIT will be unmatchable to the stipend thing that you are thinking of. So please don't take decision just on the basis of stipend is there, not there, it is less, it is more, like that. Okay, that's a very insignificant part of the entire MTech journey. Moving ahead, opportunities with a good GATE rank, again continuing. So you have opportunities with the foreign universities as well. You heard it right. Okay, so some foreign universities consider GATE scores for admission to MSc or MTech programs. Now, not just you, my dear friends, even when I was a student, I was unaware of this thing. Okay, so here I am to tell beforehand to you, there are lots of amazing universities which consider GATE score as a valid admission part. Okay, one I am aware of is a very famous institute in Singapore. Okay, when I visited Singapore, I met a friend there and we discussed that how students are studying there via GATE exam as well. Okay, so very great place, very great institutes. It's among the top universities of the world, so you can explore those opportunities as well. Although my focus was to study from India, from IIT Bombay, and that's why I didn't explore these opportunities, but you can still do. Okay, research and development. With a high rank, you can get involved in research and development projects in academia or industry. So great rank gives you lots of opportunities and you can think and decide wisely. You don't have to rush. You don't have to take a decision in just because you don't have any other option. You can think wisely. Okay. Key points to consider. A good GATE rank opens many doors for higher education and jobs. So you can just take decision as per your long-term vision and your requirements. PSUs and international universities value high GATE scores. Obviously, my dear friends, the better the score, the more the opportunities will be. That's how the game goes, right? So, but that doesn't mean that if the score is bad, you don't have a chance. Still, there are lots and lots of opportunities available to you. So, friends, I have seen that there has a lot of focus around the YouTube about the ones who are scoring great, which is fine, which is totally fine. But the aim of this session is not just to focus on the ones who are getting good score, but to also be helpful to the ones who are not meeting the expected score. So after this, my focus would be completely on the ones who are not getting the score that they were looking for, and that's why they are not having the required motivation and are not even aware of the various opportunities that they can still take the advantage of. So if you belong to this category, you don't have to worry at all, because now whatever I'm going to share with you is something that will really benefit you a lot. So moving ahead, career path without a good GATE score. First point is focus on self-improvement. Okay, focus on self-improvement means develop a growth mindset. Continuous learning and self-improvement can take you far in your career even without a GATE score. So friends, although I can't relate to this with GATE, I secured All India Rank 16 the very first attempt, but I can relate this very much to the mindset I had during 11th and 12th. During my 11th and 12th, during the JEE phase, I scored the bare possible minimum to even qualify. Okay, and this is what I felt when I was at that stage. But I focused on improving myself. I focused on building confidence. Today, the way I am talking in front of you is because I have focused on improving my skills. Okay, if I would have thought that, okay, I can't do anything in this world, I am useless and this and that, which any person can think if they don't get a good score, that would be the worst thing you can do with yourself. So as I said, GATE is not the end of the world. It is not the only way to get ahead in career. Lots of other opportunities are still there. So please don't lose hope at all. Okay, develop a growth mindset. You have to think of, okay, whatever has happened, what best I can still do, and just get ahead in that zone. Okay, learn new skills. Take online courses in new technologies, frameworks, or domains that interest you. Okay, which could be cloud computing, AI, data science, okay, machine learning, artificial intelligence is already there. So there are endless opportunities. Not just cloud computing, even network security is providing with lots of career opportunities these days. So definitely you can explore that. Personal projects and problem solving. Start building personal projects to showcase your skills. Problem solving and hands-on work are key to demonstrating your ability in tech. So friends, whenever you want to tell someone that which skills you know, okay, instead of just saying that I know web development, I know Python, okay, it would be great if you can showcase your skills as a project. Like I have done lots of hiring in my career, okay, and whenever I used to hire a candidate, rather than just looking at the skills they possess, I used to look for projects in which they have used those skills, because ultimately you have to be able to apply whatever you have learned. That's why I respect GATE exam so much, because GATE exam is application driven. It is not just writing theory and paragraphs. No, it's about aptitude. It's about applying the knowledge that you have. Okay, so this is what you need to keep in mind. Apply the knowledge, complete a project, build a application, build a website. This is what will help you get ahead of the crowd. Okay, key points to consider here: invest in yourself through learning and personal growth. Okay, don't lose hope. Lots of great things are left to be achieved, and keep building skills to stay competitive even without GATE. GATE is just one way to get ahead. Lots of other opportunities are still available. You just have to play the right game. Moving ahead, okay, focus on coding and DSA. So learn data structures and algorithm, which is kind of the bread and butter for people in computer science. So DSA is essential for cracking tech interviews at top companies. Focus on mastering these concepts through platforms like LeetCode, Code Courses, and Geeks for Geeks, just to name a few. So there are lots of portals, there are lots of tutorials available out there, lots of very well certified courses as well. All you have to do is you have to just get started. And trust me, like I have appeared for really great interviews. Okay, I have appeared for Google interview, I have appeared for Microsoft interview, I have appeared for Qualcomm interview, I have appeared for no matter how many companies. But the simple pattern I have observed is that all of them focus a lot on DSA. Almost the first round of every such company used to be DSA coding round. Okay, and only once you clear that coding round, you are allowed to sit for the interviews. So are you understanding the importance of this skill? So please focus on that. Competitive programming. Participate in coding contests and challenges. This can improve your problem solving skills and increase your visibility in the coding community. Okay, so problem solving skills is very important, my dear friends. Every company is looking for problem solvers. They really don't care about what college you come from. They really don't care about what you have done before. What they want is, are you capable enough to solve the problem that they are struggling with? Because if you can do that, you are very valuable to them. As simple as that. Okay, prepare for tech interviews. With strong DSA skills, you can easily prepare for interviews at top tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. I have worked at Amazon, and I can tell you it's a great place to work. I started my career with Amazon, and I can tell you it is the one of the best companies to ever work at. So please target such high ambitions and chase them. Okay. Key points to consider: strong coding skills and DSA knowledge can land you top tier tech jobs irrespective of the background. Okay. Competitive programming and interviews prep can compensate for a low GATE score. Absolutely true. Absolutely true. Because GATE is just one way to validate your knowledge, but competitive coding is another way to validate it. And some people actually prefer competitive coding knowledge over GATE score. Moving ahead, build projects and gain practical experience. Okay, so work on real world projects. Create personal or open source projects that showcase your technical expertise and problem solving skills. So you have to work on projects, you have to showcase your skills so that someone can actually understand the depth of the knowledge that you have. MERN stack or MERN stack projects work on full stack web development projects using technologies like MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js, formerly known as MERN stack. Very common terminology because it's a combination of some important technologies and tools that you can do wonders with. Portfolio development: build an online portfolio, which is GitHub or personal website, to showcase your projects and code. This acts as a proof of your skills for potential employers. Okay, my dear friends, this is very important. Once you have your portfolio projects, you feel very confident in talking with the right companies, because now you have something to showcase to them and they have something to check your credibility with. Okay, key points to consider here: building a strong portfolio with the real world projects is crucial, because many companies nowadays is more skilled driven than college driven. So they really stopped caring less about what college you belong to, and they give more care to what skills you possess. Okay, practical experience can be more valuable than a GATE score when applying for tech roles. Okay, obviously GATE score can be a plus point, but nothing can make up for tech knowledge. Nothing can make up for problem solving skills or coding skills. So that is absolutely at the top. Going ahead with explore web development and software engineering. So my dear friends, most of the roles belong to this category. Okay, so web development, which can be either front end or back end, I would ask you to please explore and master this. Okay, focus on learning popular web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, or Node.js and Express. Okay, software engineering roles: many tech companies look for engineers with practical knowledge rather than just GATE score. So coding proficiency, project experience, and internships matter a lot. Freelancing and startups. So work as a freelancer or join a startup where skills and real world experience often matter more than academic qualifications. So here you stand a chance to make up for the bad GATE score. Okay. Key points to consider: mastering web development and software engineering opens many career paths for you. Gain hands-on experience to prove your expertise in the field so that you can still get ahead in your career, irrespective of the GATE score. Moving ahead, data science and machine learning, the hottest topic, the hottest branch these days in demand. Okay, learn data science and machine learning. Data science and machine learning are rapidly growing fields. Learn key concepts, tools, and libraries such as Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Pandas, and NumPy. So my dear friends, I myself have upskilled a lot many people in data science, in data analytics, and I have worked at great companies as well in this field. In fact, I have done my MTech with specialization in data science as well. So from all of these experiences combined, I can guarantee you that if you are skilled enough in this branch with this skill, there is no lack of opportunities. It's just a matter of what level you want to reach and what you are looking for. But there is no lack of opportunity at all. Build a data science portfolio. Work on data science projects, participate in Kaggle competitions, and build a strong portfolio to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Job opportunities in tech. With a solid understanding of data science or ML, you can find opportunities in companies hiring for data analysts, data engineers, and AI roles. So lots of job opportunities. You just have to have the right skill so that you can showcase and get it cracked. Key points to consider: data science and machine learning skills are highly in demand, and you don't need a GATE score to succeed in these fields. Obviously, GATE score is a plus point, but it's not the only criteria. Build a portfolio to showcase your skills in this growing domain, because more and more demand is about to come, and the more skilled you are, the better opportunities you will get. Getting ahead with software testing and quality assurance. Okay, so learn software testing and QA, which is quality assurance. Software testing is another essential field where you can thrive without a high GATE score. Learn about manual testing, automated testing, and testing tools like Selenium. So when I was working at Amazon, I have worked on unit tests, even though I was a software developer, but I had done testing myself. And it's one of the best ways to validate whether the code you have written is working as per the expectations or not. Okay. Certifications and online courses. Consider taking certifications like ISTQB or other testing related courses to validate your skills, because obviously the companies actually value certifications more. Okay. Apply to testing roles. Many companies hire for QA and testing roles where technical expertise and attention to detail are key. Okay. Here the key points to consider is software testing offers a good career path without needing a high GATE score. You all know that, right? And focus on certifications and hands-on testing projects, because this field is more practical driven. Like, rather than saying that I know this, I know that, if you can showcase the work that you have done, there is nothing more important than that. Okay. So with this, let's move ahead with the last two slides I have got. Networking and mentorship. Very, very important skill to have these days. In fact, you might have heard people saying that your network is your net worth, because once you are in influence with a good network, you have lots of opportunities to showcase your talent. Okay. So networking is crucial to find job opportunities, attend tech meetups, webinars, and online forums to meet like-minded professionals. Okay. One of the best ways to do this is to be actually active on LinkedIn, where there is a professional network. Even I am very active there. You can look at anyone else's profile, you can learn from them, you can guide them, and you can actually decide what career paths you can focus on. Mentorship. Find a mentor who can guide you through the career development process, where it's in coding, project development, or soft skills. In fact, you can have one mentor for a particular skill. Okay. You can have skill-based mentors as well. So all you have to do is you have to ask, because people like me, people like the faculties at GATE wala, physics wala, everyone is there to help you. You just have to ask the right questions, and you have to be motivated enough to work on the suggestions. Okay. So building a professional online presence. Build a strong LinkedIn profile, contribute to open source projects, and write blogs to showcase your skills and make connections in the industry. There is no shortcut, my dear friends. In today's day and world, everyone needs a social proof. Okay. Once you have a good LinkedIn profile, you can check out anyone's LinkedIn profile. You can learn and extract knowledge from that. So once you have a good LinkedIn profile, people have a good way to rely you upon. Okay. They have a good reference point to think how you can add value to them. So the key points to consider is networking and mentorship can accelerate your career even without a GATE good score. Online presence can help you gain visibility and recognition in the tech industry. So please make sure that you do that as much as possible. And last but not the least, I would like to conclude and give you with the final takeaways so that you can take the necessary steps from this session. So while a good GATE score opens many opportunities, in higher education and PSUs, there are many career paths available without it as well. So having a good GATE score is always a plus, no doubt about that. But having not so GATE good score is also not a problem. Okay. Focus on self-improvement, coding skills, projects, and real-world experience to build a successful career. Okay. Final thought would be GATE is just one of many pathways. Keep learning, building, and networking to shape a fulfilling career regardless of your GATE score. I had got a good GATE score. Some people might have not got a good GATE score, but still, if everyone tries their best, they can still achieve the same dream. Okay, so nothing is end of the world. Lots of opportunities there, but just make sure you keep working hard. Okay, key points to consider: explore diverse opportunities based on your skills and interests, and focus on continuous learning, practical experience, and networking for career success. So these were the few points, my dear friends, that I wanted to add. And again, the last point I would like to suggest you is don't give up at any point of time. Not just GATE exam, even when you go to higher studies, even when you go to higher career job opportunities, don't give up. Just take time, just get comfortable with situation, and then start again. Okay, because there is lots of opportunities you can still have upon. Okay, so with that, my dear friends, my name is Aditya Jain, and I wish you all the very best. Keep practicing. Take care. Thank you.